He created this huge plan for our city. In fact, a lot of the Chicago you see today is based on that plan. And this is because the most important thing to him, his most famous saying, is make no little plans, no magic, stir things. And looking around at Chicago, I don't think he made any little plans. And so with those three stories, we can see how Chicago took the shape it has today. The fire destroyed, the fair resurrected, and the plan. Without those three stories, I don't think any of you would even be here today. Because you'd just be on some random boat in some tiny little town, listening to the yell of that cow moving out of the sea. End of story time. Back to the buildings after we get a little bit closer and